Welcome to Narayana online digital classes. My name is D.S. Rajavarma. Today we are going to discuss about some objective questions, chemistry and stoichiometry. The oxidation state of phosphorus minimum in the oxidation state of phosphorus minimum P4O6. P4O6. Here phosphorus, 4 phosphorus atoms, each phosphorus, let it be X, 4X plus 6 into oxygen common oxidation number minus 2 is equal to 0. Here 4X minus 12 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to plus 3. Here plus 3 is oxidation number of phosphorus in P4O6. In NaH2PO2, it is sodium hypophosphite. Sodium hypophosphite, NaH2PO2. Here sodium plus 1 plus 2 into plus 1, hydrogen plus 1 oxidation number. And phosphorus, let it be X. 2 oxygen atoms, 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Now plus 1 plus 2 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to 4 minus 3, that is plus 1 is oxidation number of phosphorus in that sodium hypophosphite. Now pH3, here phosphorus minus 3, hydrogen plus 1. And Na3PO4, sodium phosphate, 3Na, 3 into plus 1 plus 3 plus X, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to plus 5. Here plus 5 oxidation number of phosphorus. He is asking about minimum oxidation number. Then option 3, phosphorus minus 3, that is correct. Okay. Next question. Cu, copper, when treating with HNO3, nitric acid. Here CuNO3 taken twice, copper nitrate plus NO plus H2O. He asking about wrong statement. Okay, wrong statement. Here copper oxidation number 0. Copper 0 oxidation number, and hydrogen plus 1, and nitrogen plus 5, oxygen minus 2. In copper nitrate, copper plus 2 is oxidation number. Here nitrogen plus 5, oxygen minus 2. Here NO nitrogen plus 2, oxygen minus 2. In H2O, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. Those are the individual oxidation numbers of those elements. Okay. Now one subject here, Cu 0 to plus 2. So Cu undergoes oxidation. There is increase in oxidation number. Copper undergoes oxidation. Next nitrogen plus 5 to plus 2, decrease in oxidation number. So nitrogen undergoes reduction. Okay. Here copper is oxidized. Copper is oxidized. Here 0 to plus 2. Yes, it is correct. Copper is oxidized. And HNO3 plus 5 to plus 2, nitrogen oxidation number. Okay. So HNO3 reduced. This is also correct. And he asking about wrong statement. Cu is reduced. No, it is not correct. Cu is oxidized. So that is the correct statement. He asking about incorrect. And Cu acts as reducing agent. It is correct because HNO3 undergoes reduction into NO. The reason is because of reaction with copper. Okay, the reduction of HNO3 is due to reaction with copper. That's why copper is the reducing agent. It causes reduction of HNO3 into NO. Yes, it is correct, reducing agent. So wrong statement is third one. Okay, next question. In the reaction NO2 minus plus OCl minus gives NO3 plus NO3 minus plus Cl minus. The oxidation state of chlorine He asking about oxidation state of chlorine. Here chlorine OCl minus is converted into Cl minus. Chlorine. OCl minus means that is hypochlorite ion. Hypochlorite ion. In hypochlorite ion, chlorine oxidation number is +1. How? Oxygen -2. Chlorine, let it be X. The sum of all the oxidation number should be equal to charge present on it is equal to -1. Now X is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to +1. Here chlorine +1 oxidation number, here chlorine -1 oxidation number. That means chlorine oxidation number changes from +1 to -1. Then option 2 is correct. Okay. Next question. Which of the following process nitrogen is oxidized? In which of the following process nitrogen is oxidized? Here NH4 plus, nitrogen -3 is oxidation number. N2, you know, when element combined with its own elements, then oxidation number is taken as 0. Here 0 is oxidation number. Okay, here -3 to 0, there is increase in oxidation number. Okay, that is nitrogen is oxidized. And next, here NO3 minus, nitrogen +5 is oxidation number. In NO, nitrogen +2 is oxidation number. So nitrogen is here reduced, not oxidized, +5 to +2. Here NO2, nitrogen +4 is oxidation number. Okay, NO2 minus, X minus 4 is equal to -1. Now X is equal to +3. Here +3 is the oxidation number of nitrogen. +4 to +3 reduced. And NO3 minus, nitrogen +5 is oxidation number. NH4 plus, nitrogen -3 is oxidation number. So +5 to -3, oxidation number decreases, reduced. Here only one increases, the nitrogen oxidized. In option 1 is correct. Next question. Oxidation state of iron in Na2FeCN5NO. It is complex compound. Here Na, 2 into Na +1. You know that 1A group elements always unique oxidation number +1. Let the oxidation number of iron is X. Here Cn is negative ligand. Cn exists as Cn minus, negative ligand. Okay. Here how many Cn atoms are present? 5 Cn atoms. 5 Cn. Here 5 into -1. Cn ligands, not atoms, ligands. NO is very, very important point. In iron complexes, iron present as the central metal atom. If NO is there, NO, it behaves as the positive ligand, NO plus. It is called nitrocelium ion. NO plus nitrocelium ion. Here NO +1 is oxidation number. Neutral molecule, that's why sum is equal to 0. Then +2 plus X minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to, here 5 minus 3, that is equal to +2 is oxidation number of iron. Then option 2 is correct. Okay. Next question. Oxidation number of carbon in carbon suboxide. This is carbon suboxide, C3O2. C double bond, C double bond, C double bond O, double bond O. This is carbon suboxide, the structure. Central carbon atom oxidation number is 0. Because you know carbon combined with other same kind of elements, that's why its oxidation number is taken as 0. Now remaining 2 carbon atoms. Oxygen -2 oxidation number, here also oxygen -2 oxidation number. That's why the carbon attached to oxygen, it has +2 oxidation number. This carbon also +2 oxidation number. He asking about the oxidation number of carbon. Carbon means here take the average oxidation number. Average. Here 3 carbon atoms are present. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to plus 4 by 3. That is average oxidation number. But individually 2 carbon atoms plus 2 oxidation number and 1 carbon atom, central carbon atom, 0 oxidation number. Okay. Now option 2 is correct. Next question. The oxidation number of iron in Fe 0.94O. It is non-stoichiometric compound. Non-stoichiometric compound Fe 0.94O. O means here O1. O1, right, like that. Now it can be written as Fe 94O100. Fe 94O100. Now 94X, let the oxidation number of iron is X. 94X plus 100 into minus 2, because the oxygen common oxidation number is minus 2, is equal to 0 because it is neutral molecule. Now 94X minus 200 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to 200 by 94. Okay? Then option 2 is correct. Next question. The oxidation number of cobalt in a mercury complex, here mercury cobalt tetrathiocyanate, okay, a complex. Cobalt is the central metal atom. Mercury, here plus 2 is oxidation number, mercuric. Cobalt, let the oxidation number of cobalt is X. Thiocyanate ion, SCN minus, individual oxidation number is minus 1. Okay, so 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Now plus 2 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies X is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 2 is oxidation number of cobalt. Then option 1 is correct. Okay. In ICl3, oxidation numbers of iodine and chlorine are ICl3. He asking about oxidation numbers of chlorine and iodine. You know, chlorine is more electronegative than iodine. You know that. ICl3. The possible oxidation number of iodine. Here chlorine is more electronegative. Here chlorine minus 1 oxidation number. Okay. Each chlorine minus 1 oxidation number. Iodine plus 3 oxidation number. Okay, it is the neutral molecule ICl3. If ECl is minus 1, then iodine oxidation number is plus 3. Then plus 3 minus 1. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Next question. Lead nitrate is strongly heated. In this reaction, the oxidation number of the following atoms changes. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 taken twice. Lead nitrate. On heating, on decomposition, then PbO, lead oxide plus NO2 plus, how many oxygen atoms are here? 5. Half O2. How many? 5. That means O2. So PbO plus NO2 plus O2. In this reaction, the oxidation numbers of the following atoms are changed. The oxidation numbers of following atoms are changed. Here Pb plus 2, here also plus 2. There is no change in the oxidation number of lead. Here nitrogen plus 5. Here nitrogen plus 5, here nitrogen plus 4. Yes, there is change in the oxidation number of nitrogen. Here oxygen minus 2. In PbO, oxygen minus 2. In NO2, oxygen minus 2. But in O2, oxygen oxidation number is 0. Because it is combined with its own element, O2 molecule. 0 is oxidation number. Now, here oxygen and nitrogen, those two elements, oxidation numbers changed. Okay, then option 2 is correct. Next question. In the reaction between ethylene and alkaline KMnO4, ethylene and alkene KMnO4, the oxidation number of manganese is ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene. You know, cold dilute alkene KMnO4. So KMnO4 in weak basic medium plus H2O plus O KMnO4, that too alkaline KMnO4. Then the product is ethylene glycol, CH2OH single bond CH2OH. Ethylene glycol is formed. Here product is not important. He asking about the KMnO4. This is cold dilute alkaline KMnO4. Okay. You know, KMnO4 in neutral medium or weak basic medium, it is converted into MnO4. Neutral medium, MnO2, converted into MnO2. Here plus 7 is oxidation number of manganese. Okay. Here plus 4 is oxidation number of manganese. Do you understand? This one is weak dilute alkaline KMnO4, weak basic medium. So KMnO4 is converted into MnO2, manganese dioxide. Here plus 7 oxidation number changes to plus 4 oxidation number. Now change in oxidation number decreases from plus 7 to plus 4. Then option 3 is correct. Next question. In the reaction, 2BaO2 gives 2BaO plus O2. The oxidation number of barium. Here BaO, 2 moles of BaO2 gives 2 moles of BaO plus O2. Here BaO2 barium peroxide. Here Ba plus 2 oxidation number, oxygen minus 1 oxidation number because it is peroxide. In peroxides, oxygen oxidation number is taken as minus 1. BaO barium oxide, Ba second year group element, there is no change in the oxidation number plus 2. Here oxide oxygen minus 2. Here oxygen O2 0 oxidation number. He asking about the oxidation number of barium. So barium oxidation number does not change. Plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Then option 4 is correct. Next question. The degree of hardness is expressed in ppm, parts per million. So ppm formula, ppm is equal to number of parts of solute by number of parts of solution, into 10 power 6. That is the formula of the ppm, parts per million. Okay. Option 3 is correct. Next question. A solution containing 2.68 into 10 power minus 3 moles of An plus ions requires 1.61 into 10 power minus 3 moles of MnO4 minus for the complete oxidation of An plus to AO3 minus in acidic medium. What is the value of N? Here two changes. What are those? An plus ions are changed into AO3 minus. An plus ions are changes to AO3 minus. And what is the second change? Second change, MnO4 minus. MnO4 minus acidic medium. Okay. MnO4 minus in acidic medium, it changes into Mn2 plus ion. You know that. Okay, those are the changes. He asking about value of N. This N plus N. You know, two chemicals are completely reacts with each other. Means equivalence of one compound is equal to equivalence of another compound. Equivalence means, weight by gram equivalent weight. Weight by gram equivalent weight of this compound is equal to here weight by gram equivalent weight of this compound. Before that, what is the n factor? N factor value of this MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. Here n factor is equal to, here Mn plus 7 is oxidation number, here plus 2. Modulus of product side charge plus 2 minus reactant side charge 7 is equal to 5. 5 is n factor value. When MnO4 minus permanganate ion is changed into Mn2 plus, then oxidation number changes from plus 7 to plus 2. Then the change in oxidation number n factor value is equal to 5. In case of An plus 2 AO3 minus, here n factor, here A oxidation number plus 5. X minus 6 is equal to minus 1, X is equal to plus 5 is oxidation number. Now n factor is equal to modulus of product side charge 5, reactant side charge n, 5 minus n is n factor value. Okay. Now two chemicals are completely reacts with each other means their equivalents are equal. Weight by gram equivalent weight, number of equivalents. We can write like this: weight by gram molecular weight into n factor. Gram equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight by n factor. Then weight by gram equivalent weight can be written as weight by gram molecular weight into n factor. Here also weight by gram molecular weight into n factor. Okay. Now weight by gram molecular weight means number of moles. Number of moles. So number of moles of An plus is given 2.68. 2.68 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3 into n factor value is 5 minus n. 5 minus n is equal to, here number of moles of that MnO4 minus, it is given 1.61 into 10 power minus 3. 1.61 into 10 power minus 3 into, here n factor is 5. Now 5 minus n is equal to 1.61 into 10 power minus 3 into 5 divided by 2.68 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. After calculation, its value is 3. Its value is 3. Now n is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So n value is equal to 2. Okay. It is integer type question, that's why the value of n is 2. Okay. Next question. 1 liter of m by 10 barium permanganate in acidic medium can be oxidized completely. Can be oxidized completely with 1 by 6 liters of x molar ferric oxalate. Okay. The value of x is, here one side chemical barium permanganate, BaMnO4 taken twice, barium permanganate, and second side chemical is ferric oxalate, Fe2C2O4 taken thrice, that is ferric oxalate. Okay. First of all, let us calculate n factor values of these two chemicals. BaMnO4 taken twice, MnO4 taken twice is in acidic medium. Okay, that reaction is in acidic medium. Here MnO4 minus is converted into Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus. In the calculation of n factor, first of all, here plus 7 is oxidation number, you know that. Here manganese plus 7, here manganese plus 2. In the calculation of n factor value, first of all, balanced elements in which change in oxidation number occurs. Balanced elements where change in oxidation number happens. Here +7 to +2, here 2 manganese atoms are present. Here only 1 manganese, that's why balance like that. Now N factor is equal to modulus of product side charge 2 into 2 +4 minus reactant side charge Mn charge 2 into +7 14, that is equal to 10. N factor is equal to 10. Do you understand? Once again, barium permanganate BaMnO4 taken twice. In acidic medium, that Mn +7 is converted into Mn2+. Okay. In the calculation of N factor, balance elements in which change in oxidation number occurs. Here 2 manganese atoms are present, here only 1 manganese, that's why balance that one 2 into Mn2+. Okay. There is no change in the oxidation number of remaining 2 elements, barium and oxygen, only change in the oxidation number of manganese. Now here 2 into +2 +4 minus reactant side charge 2 into +7 minus 14 is equal to 10. Now this side, ferric oxalate here Fe+3 is oxidation number. Here carbon, after calculation +3, here also +3 is oxidation number of carbon. Oxygen as usual -2. It is converted into ferric, okay, there is no change in the oxidation number of ferric Fe+3 only. And oxalate is converted into CO2, carbon dioxide. Oxalate that converted into carbon dioxide. Okay. Here carbon dioxide, carbon oxidation number is +4. Here change in oxidation number only in carbon. Only in carbon. In the calculation of N factor value, first of all, balance the elements in which change in oxidation number occurs. Balance those elements, carbon elements. Here how many carbons are present? 3 into 2, 6 carbons are present. That's why here 6 CO2. Balance like that. Okay. Now N factor value. N factor is equal to modulus of product side charge 6 into 4, 24 minus reactant side carbon charge 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. Here N factor is equal to 6. Okay. Now those chemicals, those two chemicals completely reacts with each other. Means their equivalents or milli-equivalents will be equal. Their equivalents or milli-equivalents will be equal. So milli-equivalents, the data is given in terms of molarity. That's why number of milli-equivalents, normality into volume in ml of this barium permanganate is equal to number of milli-equivalents of ferric oxalate. Data is given in molarity, you know that, in normality into volume. Chemical reaction takes place either in their equivalence ratio or in chemical equivalence, milli-equivalence ratio. Two chemicals are completely reacts with each other, means their equivalents are equal or milli-equivalents are equal. Okay, according to data, here milli-equivalents are equal. Normality is equal to molarity into valency. First barium permanganate molarity is given 1/10. 1/10 molarity into valency. Valency means here N factor. N factor value 10. So molarity into N factor value, that is normality, into volume is given how much? 1 liter. In ml, 1000 ml. Okay. This side. Normality. Normality, you don't know normality, molarity is given. Here molarity M and valency, N factor value is 6. Volume is given 1/6 liters. 1/6 liters means here 1/6. 1/6 into 1000 in ml. Okay. Now 6 here cancel. Here 1000 cancel. Here 10 cancel. Now M is equal to 1 molar. Now that molarity, X value, what is that X? Molarity of ferric oxalate, 1. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. The session is completed. Thank you.